Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Light Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. Today, what we are planning to talk about on our video is like a recap of last week. Alright, you guys. Holy cow, we got some stuff to talk about. These last couple of videos, like this one video I started to watch is of the MSC Divina. And I'm like, holy cow, you guys. MSC cruises are nothing like Carnival. You guys gotta understand that. Now, plus, I was reading the stuff about what can I bring on a cruise and what can I not bring. And I understand that with some expectations, I can bring my walkie-talkie on board. But lucky enough, I can bring you guys on board because I will be videoing, okay? It's like then after that, we got two things to talk about. Number one, what in the world is going on with like what's our itinerary and like what's going to happen on so Friday we start to leave on that day, okay? Friday we leave on that day, and then after that we hit Enterprise Rent-A-Car down here in Bedford. And then after that we drive up to Cruise of Maryland Cruiseport. And I don't know yet what time our check-in is because we haven't gotten that yet, okay? Because Carnival is currently using this app called the Carnival Hub app. Plus, also, then after that, they got a couple things, which is really interesting about this cruise, and I think we should talk about it. Number one, I'm planning to do a lot of relaxing. That's number one. Number two, I plan to help you guys, look through the shows and stuff. Once we get on board, I'm going to show you guys the TV station, the stateroom TV station. And then after that, we got a couple things to talk about. Number one, the first thing that we gotta talk about is so just to let you guys know that we got 2 sea days. We got 1 sea day on fun sea day when we leave Baltimore. And then halfway there we are heading. Then once we get to Bermuda, we get there at not 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Carnival time, okay? So then after that we got a couple things happening, okay? Number one is the routine radio checks. Sadly, on this cruise, I will not be able to do that. But luckily, I'm planning to keep you guys updated on the Carnival, on the Carnival Cruise app, the Carnival Hub. So then after that, we got us a couple of different YouTube video ideas. So like I'm planning to show you guys like once we get there to the port of Baltimore. Now also there's like a couple of radio frequencies that are inside that port that we gotta talk about. Like number one, what's the pilot channel? Number two, what's the marina channel? If there's anything special on there. It's like then after that we got then after that I'll probably show you guys like what I get from Guy's barbecue joint. It's like then after that, once we are out to sea, I gotta put my phone on airplane mode so I don't, so singular at sea, that is a big no-no. Alright? For me. It's like then after that, we got a couple things that we gotta talk about. Like what I thought of the muster drill, like, because since COVID's gone, and we're starting to get back to normal, like luckily up there in Bloomington, masks are finally not required, and I feel so excited about that. But it's like then after that, plus also, we got like a couple. It's like I've been reading the stuff like on Carnival right now, okay? People that are vaccinated like me, like a couple of other people, they cannot, they can wear masks if they want to, but they have to wear them when they go indoors. Now, Carnival kind of has some expectations on like their radio frequency scanning. Like number one, if you guys bring like an amateur radio on board, that right there is kind of okay. But like then after that, if you guys like look up their different radio frequencies on this ship, they got a primary, they got a medical, and they also got a paging frequency. Those are like the only radio frequencies which are on this ship. And I'm fine with that. And like then after that, like once we get to Bermuda has like a couple of radio a couple stuff we can listen to. Like probably number one, I'll probably be videoing, but we gotta keep a little bit of idea on that. So like then after that we got a couple of like good radio frequencies that are like on other ships. Like sadly like on the Carnival Pride uses like a lot of DMR radios. So like their bridge, their engine room, a couple of other frequencies are like all DMR. Now since we're going out of this new port, I feel really excited about getting back on Carnival. Now, I just let you guys know, their safety video on Carnival is like a whole lot different than because MSC has a lot of different radio stuff on there. They have your traditional radio frequencies. They have their own rules. I'm currently watching this video from Josh Holcomb, and and he is currently watching this video about in 2018. He was on a cruise called the MSC Divina. And this cruise, I gotta tell you, is not even a joke. They go to San Juan. They go to Nassau, Bahamas. Those are only a couple of the places. Now, you guys are probably thinking, Tommy, why in the world are you talking about this? And why in the world are you bringing this up? It's because lately, Josh has been using a lot of drone footage. And a lot of different cruise ships kind of say, it's okay, you can bring a drone. But on Norwegian Cruise Lines, that's the biggest no-no of all of them. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. For Tommy's morning talk on cruise ships. If you guys like this, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you guys give that a subscribe button because we will be all over the map. Alright guys, goodbye, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.